Hello everyone, Richa Gupta, your mentor, guide and coach of learning English grammar. Welcome to my channel. This is VR English classes and we are here to build your foundation in English grammar. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest updates. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to today's topic. Today's topic is past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense, the three forms affirmative, negative and interrogative. In affirmative, singular number, he, she, it, any name of a person and singular noun. And with these singular noun and pronoun, we use was. In present continuous, we use is, but in past continuous, we use was. And this is the formula: subject was plus V first plus ing and object. Okay, so you have to remember this, and these are the examples. He was going to school, so we use was with the singular number he, and then V first and ing and then object. So he was going to school. The same, I was reading my book. I was singular and then V first plus ing and then object. Let's move on. Negative sentence in singular number. So the same, he, she, it, any name of a person and singular noun, and also I. Okay, and we use with them was. Okay, and the formula is subject was not plus V first then ing and object, and we use not between was and V first plus ing. Okay, so you have to remember this, that with I also we use was. Okay, and these are the examples. He was not going to school, so we use not between was and V first plus ing. Next is Ram was not writing a book. Okay, so was not V first plus ing. Okay, now let's move on. Interrogative sentence, the singular number, he, she, it, any name of a person and then singular noun, and we use and I also, and we use was with them. Okay, and these two are the formulas: was plus subject plus V first plus ing and then object or question mark. So we use was before the subject in yes no answer type question, and then question word, and then was subject and V first plus ing and object and then question mark. Okay, so these are the interrogative formulas and these are the examples. Was he going to school? When was he going to school? Okay, so we use was and when before the subject in interrogative sentences. Okay, so this is the singular number, affirmative, negative and interrogative. Now let's move on. The plural number. Plural number, affirmative sentence, we, you, they, plural noun, and with these noun and pronoun, plural noun and pronoun, we use were. Okay, and this is the formula: subject were V first plus ing and then object. Okay, these are the examples. They were playing football and you were going to market. We use with these plural pronoun and noun were. Okay, and then V first plus ing. Okay, were and V first plus ing. Now let's move on. Negative sentence, the same, we, you, they, plural noun we use were, and then this is the formula: subject plus were not plus V first plus ing and then object. And we use were not between were and V first plus ing. These are the examples. You can see here, they were not playing football. So we use were with this plural pronoun and then not, then V first plus ing. The same, you, we use were with you and then not, V first plus ing. Okay, so this is the negative sentence. Now let's move on interrogative sentence. The same, we, you, they, plural noun, we use were, and this is the formula: were plus subject plus V first plus ing and then object and question mark, and we use were before the subject. Next one is question word: were, subject, V first plus ing and then object and question mark. Okay, these are the examples. Were you going to school? Were you going to school? Question mark. And why were you playing football? So we use why and were before the subject and then V first plus ing. Okay, and because they are the plural pronoun, that's why we use were. Okay, so this is all about past continuous tense. I hope you can understand it, but if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. And the previous tense, I have given the link down below in the description box. You can check out it from there. And if you like this, then click the button like. And thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy always, because you deserve it. Bye bye now.